We have the Festival of Colors coming up on March 7th. That will happen here at this center. Last year we did a really big Holi festival. A lot of people came. It was a lot of fun. So please don't miss that one. Then we participate at a booth at the Ekta Mandir, that is in slightly North Phoenix, Maryland and I-17 area. There we set up a booth and we raise money for the Goshala by selling food. We also do some food surveys. We go to a Watkins shelter and we distribute free food. That's going to be on March 29th. And then we also participate in the Arizona Gives Day. Some of you might be familiar with it. It is a statewide event where you can contribute to any charity online. It is called Arizona Gives Day. So we will be participating in that on April 7th. So those are the few events that are coming up. Please try to get the information, up-to-date information on the website and join us for those festivals. So at Goshala we take care of the cows, and I think earlier you have heard about the importance of cow, why we take care of the cows. Like some of you may have dogs or cats as pets, and we take care of them very well, right? Our pets, we do feed them very well, we want to make them comfortable, and they are part of our family. And here at Goshala the cows are part of our family, and we feel that we need to take care of all animals, but we wanted to start with the cows. Reason being, cows give a lot for us. Unlike maybe some other animals, with cows we get a lot of benefit. Some of us that take milk products from the cows, we are obligated to take care of the cow. And if you look at it, cows in general provide us milk and milk products. Besides that also, the cow manure is actually good for the land. So if you want to cultivate, grow crops for food, you can use the cow manure. That is very good. I mean, until about a few decades ago, that was the primary source of nutrition for the plants. And now we use these fertilizers, but we all know these fertilizers are not going to be that good. Already we have seen a lot of side effects. The ground is getting polluted because of all the fertilizers. So we still, at some point, we may have to go back to cow manure, who knows. But cow provides that benefit. So if we, like when I was young, my mom always used to tell me, whenever somebody gives you something, say thank you. And that is very important for us. So when we are getting so much stuff from the cow, we want to say thank you to the cow. And today's festival is essentially that. It is a festival to honor the cows, honor the land for all the things that we have. The most important stuff, which is food, and which is also giving ability to provide food with clean environment, no fertilizers required. Some of you are familiar with how the industries treat animals, so we are not too excited about it. And those of you that know about it know how bad it is the animals are treated. When the cows are giving milk, we need to treat them with respect. We need to give something back. Instead, we are not treating cows. The industries are not treating cows very well. So this is this Arizona Goshala is set up to raise that awareness in people, so that everybody can see why it is important to take care of the cows. It is important for us. It is important for our future generations to take care of the cows, so that they will have clean air. They will have good milk. Let's talk about milk quickly. A lot of people here today, they don't take milk products. The reason being, the milk is taken from these cows, and these cows are slaughtered at the end. And that is not the right thing, so a lot of people stop even taking milk. And the milk that you get at grocery stores, it's so contaminated. If you go to a farm and see how bad that milk is, they have to do so many, like they have to pasteurize it, then they have to put so many chemicals so that the milk doesn't go bad. But if you have a cow in your farm, there is one lady at least here that we know, she has a cow at her house, So like that, some people used to raise cows, especially in India, for thousands of years. Cows were considered a symbol of prosperity. So during any festival or any wedding, if you want to give a gift, the best gift that you could give is a cow. So like that, cows give milk, and the milk that we get from cow is so nice. But because the industry is polluting it, we are not able to take that milk very well. Especially a lot of kids that have lactose intolerance. That's because all the chemicals and all the pasteurization and everything that they do. Otherwise, the milk is really good to your body. Some of you may know about a store called Gentle Strength that used to be on Tempe, Mill Avenue and University area. About some time ago, I have met a person there. He said he has lived on only milk for 11 years. So that's how cows are. They give us milk that can sustain our body. And to get the real good milk, now the industry is not able to give it to us. Hopefully we'll have big Goshala in the future where we can all take advantage of good milk from the cows. We also want you to look at our website. There is a lot of information about it. And we do have t-shirts. I mean, if you look at some of the t-shirts that we are wearing, it says if slaughterhouses has all slaughterhouses have glass walls, then everybody would be a vegetarian. The reason it says that is the industries now hide what they are doing. They just sell a packaged food, and you don't know what is inside there. I mean, in another 20 years, it may be completely artificial material that may be there, and they may be selling it to you. And if we don't understand that, it is not good for us. It's we have to. I mean, we would like to eat quality food, so that means we would like to understand where the food is coming from. So when they package the food like that, we really don't know where that is coming from. And if we check it out, these places, you will probably stop eating that food. That's why they want to hide it from you. So when we were actually printing these t-shirts, so I gave these t-shirts for printing, and that lady called me back that day and then said, did you make any mistake in writing this text? I said, no, it is good. So she read it out for me. I said, yeah, it is correct. Then she said, oh, it says slaughterhouses. It's a bad word. I was surprised. Yeah, if you think it is a bad word, why is it a bad word? That's where food is coming for most of the people. If slaughterhouses are bad, then you better tell everybody that slaughterhouses are bad. Why hide it from people? So that's what the industry is doing, and I thank you everyone for coming here, joining us. The big service that we are doing today is to raise awareness in people, like what they should know. Everybody should know what they are eating and how we can make our food better, the food better for our future generations. Those of you in my age group or even older know how the environment has changed in the past 20 years. It's not as clean as it used to be. I mean, people used to get free fresh water everywhere. I mean, back then, 20, 30 years ago, we used to make fun of people that say about buying water. It was a joke back then, selling water. But today we have to buy water. There is no clean water anywhere. There are so many chemicals in water everywhere. And even I heard that in the sanitary system, the biggest problem is all the chemicals that we use in household chemicals. They are very toxic, so they have to recycle. They have to do a lot of work to get that water clean. So all of you here today are doing a big service today for the mother cow, the planet Earth, for just coming here and bringing up the awareness that we should take care of the cows. And we have some more information at our website, and there are some books and materials. And we're also going to have a food preparation class, how to cook vegetarian food. Please come and join us. And welcome back to this festival again. When we do the next festival, please come and join us. Thank you so much. Please enjoy the food.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,